Test this out right quick on y'all. Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit. So y'all be nice about it.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to Natural Refined. This is Joy, and as you can see, I have braids. So it's been such a long time since I had braids, even to the point where my granny was like, braids? What you doing with braids? I don't think I ever seen you with braids. I might have had braids about 10 years ago. That's how long it's been since I've had braids. And it's mainly because my scalp does not like braiding hair. But if you go over to naturalrefined.com, you will see how I remedied that, because my scalp did have kind of a little bit of a reaction to the braiding hair, but we fixed that and we were able to keep these braids in for 6 weeks. Y'all, look at this. It's time to take them out. All this new growth, you know? It's all good though. I am going to show you guys how I take them out. My goal is to have minimum shedding, but also to reset and rebalance my scalp. So I will show you what products I'm using. However, I will not be talking through this video because I am about to watch TV. I am watching High on the Hog, the documentary. If you know me, I'm from North Carolina. Anything that shows the history of food, and I know they have a Carolina section too. I love North Carolina food. Barbecue, just roasting a whole hog, honestly. Vinegar-based barbecue. We don't do that mustard, but yeah, I'm about to watch that and get my life, and then probably find me some barbecue food later. It is Juneteenth weekend, so I'm about to find me something good to eat. And yeah, I'm about to take these braids down. So continue watching. Oh, if you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see, honestly, because I do a little bit of everything. As you guys can see from previous videos, I just opened my beauty studio. I have some videos of that coming out soon. I know I do hair, a little bit of makeup. I don't know if I lost my touch with makeup. We're gonna put out some videos and y'all tell me if we still got it or not. But yeah, let's get to taking out these braids. So what you see me doing at the end is when I get to the very root of it, I break up like what you would consider like the little dirt balls, I guess. So I want to make sure I start that detangling process as soon as possible. We're gonna work on not having as much shedding, but yeah, that's all. I think I'm gonna be here all day, but it's all good. We off today. Alrighty guys, so I have taken out all of my braids. I wanted to show you guys what I do to prep for wash. So I have taken out all 4 of these sections. I have also already pre-pooed them. So I use the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. So this is gonna help with slip. It's gonna help break up some of those. You know, you have those little dirt knot balls. Helps break some of that up. And it helps you to be able to slide through your hair so easily. So this is what it looks like. And I found this at my local Walgreens. So what you do is I section my hair, right? So I have my clip. Because what you want to do is work with your fingers first. As you can see, it's a little tangle. So being as gentle as possible is going to help you to keep your hair, okay? You can see my hair is very dirty because there's stuff falling all out of it. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is take some of the Pre-Shampoo then I'm just gonna work that through, right? Work it all the way, root to end, root to end, root to end. We do have some shedding, but not too much, you know. It's expected, you know. Your hair has been in braids for like 6 weeks. So when your hair is out, it usually sheds, right? But while it's in braids, all that hair that would have normally shedded is wrapped up in the braid. So you are gonna have some kind of shedding. Now, if your hair is coming out in clumps, then that's when you got like a little issue, you know. Other than that, you should be good. So, I'm going to go wash my hair, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to use. First, I am going to use the Briogeo Scalp Revival. So, I feel as if you don't have a healthy scalp, then how are you going to have healthy hair? Because your hair grows from your scalp, and you know, hey. So, this Briogeo Scalp Revival has charcoal, coconut oil, and it's a micro-exfoliating shampoo, which to me, I guess it has little beads in it. So we are going to see how it is, but I also know that charcoal helps lift away impurities, and that coconut oil is also going to hydrate. Well, oils can't really hydrate, but the coconut oil is going to help nourish the scalp as well. So, and then I have the Adwoa Beauty. I've heard so much about this brand, and I honestly think I'm going to love it. I'm scared to love it because it's expensive, but we gonna give them a try and see what's up, you know. So this is the Boamint moisturizing shampoo. So whenever I see the ingredients wintergreen, spearmint, peppermint, I know it's about to be a party on my scalp. I love a tingly feeling. It feels fresh, it feels clean. And with those ingredients in this shampoo, I just know, baby, it's about to be a good time. So I'm going to take you guys with me, and I will give you guys my review on these products after we wash. So, ooh, we're back. So first we're going to use the Briogeo. I think that's how you say it. This is gray. You can see that charcoal in it, and it has like a little bead, so I can definitely tell it's definitely, yeah, it's a little gritty, so it's gonna definitely wake this scalp up. Ooh, I smell peppermint. I really want to give it to my scalp. Ooh, it smells like mint chocolate. I did have a little trouble with my edges. I think because I kept manipulating my hair so much while it was in the braid, my edges kind of took the brunt of that. So what I am going to do is focus on like really exfoliating those parts to get those follicles kind of like rejuvenated, get them back into business. Like, girl, my bad. But here's some extra loving kind of thing. So yeah, that's how that Briogeo feels. I'm going to rinse this out, and I will be right back. And y'all were probably wondering like why I keep closing my shower curtain. It's because I don't have a regular shower like these other influencers where they just have that door, they have something there. My floor be wet, and I ain't got time for that. Okay. Ooh. it did what it had to do. My scalp, baby, it's like tingly. It feels fresh. It's like it's breathing. It has like a breath of its own. And I love that about shampoos. You give me any kind of mint, and I wasn't expecting that from that, because that Briogeo one, because it was just charcoal and I think just charcoal and coconut oil. So it had some kind of mint in it. I don't know which one, but it did what it had to do. So next we're gonna go in with the Adwoa Beauty, and I have high hopes for this one as well, because it has that spearmint, wintergreen, and peppermint oil in it. And that's all I smell. Oh my God. Let's see what we got. Again, I always apply to my scalp first, because ooh, okay. It's not as big as a tingle factor as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to like give me breath of fresh air. Honestly, the Briogeo one, okay, spoke too soon. I was about to say, I feel it now. Okay, here we are, come through. Again, I'm just gonna really work my edges, and I'm gonna rinse some of that. Ooh, this feels so good. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. If you want to see how I do my wash and goes, I have a couple of videos back. I will link it below. But the important thing here was the steps I took to take down my hair and to clear my scalp and to put that conditioner and that moisture back in there. So again, I use African Pride, the Pre-Shampoo. I use Adwoa and Briogeo for shampoos. And then I use OUIDAD's Ultra Hydrating Mask to condition my hair. And I use a conditioning cap to lock all of that moisture in. It opens those cuticles and just allows everything to get in. After I rinse that out, I used a leave-in and the Dew's foaming cream. So, well, mousse. But other than that, you know, let me know what you want to see, and I'll be back.